Hi everybody, quick update for July. We are going to have a club meeting this month. That's before tomorrow actually. We're going to have it on Zoom. Just as we discussed in our June's meeting. We're going to start a little later time at 7:30. So if you want to log in a little earlier, we'll probably be starting that meeting around 7 o'clock if you want to hang out, chit chat with some of us. And then we'll start the meeting exactly at 7:30 to better accommodate everybody that's going online. This month we're actually having a round robin, which means you guys get to control what's going to happen. So if you want to have a question or a problem with a plant, can't find the front of a plant, you want to show off a tree, or you have wiring issues, anything like that, you guys can control. Everybody have a chance. That's what we call round robin. And in August, we're actually have a meeting. Actually, Lindsay Shibo will do a demo. I think he's going to probably do how we find a front on a tree, but I'm not sure. But he's in control for next month. So next month we'll also have a regular club meeting online on Zoom. Also for this month, we're gonna have a raffle. So if you're a Party Club member, this is free, nothing needs to take on. I got some pots for you guys still. So that'll happen on tomorrow. So again, if you don't have that link, please email me directly. You should have that link already by Shirley. And then if you need a really refresher course how to use Zoom, on the link below there is what I gave you a tutorial on Zoom, so go rewatch that. That's the second time or first time using Zoom, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. See you guys.